In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Windsurf program from your Windows computer. If you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, these steps are the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the correct way to uninstall this app or program is through Control Panel. And as you can see, we have Control Panel shortcut here on my desktop. However, for your case, if you are missing Control Panel, just head to the Start menu, and from here, search for Control Panel. So I'll search for Control Panel, and you can see Control Panel is here. I'll tap on it to open, and once you have opened your Control Panel, now look for this option called Programs and Features. If you tap on it, this will list all the programs that you have installed on your Windows computer. From here, go through the list to find your program. So I'm interested in Windsurf, and you can see it is here. To uninstall it, just tap on it, and by doing so, you can see you have an option to uninstall. Alternatively, you can just right click on it and you should see an install option. Go ahead and tap on uninstall, and here you have to confirm that indeed you want to remove this program. So I'll tap on yes, and the uninstallation process will commence. So give it time. As files for this program are removed from your computer, do not close this window. So this file is not too much large, and therefore it won't take much of your time. And finally, it is almost done. Right now, we are told Windsurf was successfully removed from your computer. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the shortcut icon has been removed from our computer, and the files, all of them for this program, have been uninstalled. So that's how you can correctly uninstall Windsurf from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.